As the world marks Day of the Tropics, we look at how coastal communities in Sierra Leone are countering climate change. The world has marked the International Day of the Tropics, established by the UN to raise awareness about challenges and opportunities within the tropical regions of the world. Among the many challenges in these regions, especially West Africa, is climate change, as the existence of many coastal communities is coming under threat from rising oceans and more powerful and frequent storms. Fortunately, there are adaptation measures local authorities can take, such as using nature's own defenses against these threats. Kawa has this report from Sierra Leone.
It's another day of survival for these mangroves. In Sierra Leone's coastal areas, these rugged shrubs protect vulnerable communities from storms and floods, but many have been lost over time. There is, however, ongoing efforts by the Freetown City Council and partners to restore what are often dubbed precious sea guardians.
Before 2022, the flooding will be get high level. Since when we plant this mangrove, now flooding don't mitigate. Yeah, then livelihood, because when we plant this mangrove, we thought and fit so for plants our fish, then they come, then they breed and people that they get the livelihood support. And now even the climate change, it don't reduce.
Community leaders in the area say residents are yearning for more opportunities to increase the number of mangroves. They want to do their bit to protect their community whilst making some money in the process.
Each and every zone gets representatives. So we serve as a watchdog, or we enforce we by law. If we find person in the quarter, we will bring you back to the chief, and as a defaulter, we will level fine on you. But we'll not experience that hit for the moment in time, because each and everybody in the community actually we know the threat, the kind of flooding threat will be get at the community. Then they yearn for see how we mitigate them and get a proper and habitable community.
But Sierra Leone's mangroves are only one part of a much bigger story. Across the tropics, deforestation is threatening biodiversity, weakening climate resilience, and putting lives at risk. This is part of the Botanic Reserve at Frabe College, University of Sierra Leone. Over the years, it has faced heavy encroachment, posing serious challenges to its survival. During the war, many people fled to Freetown and they cut down trees here for their survival. In other words, they used it for fuel wood. But today, their effort by the university here to ensure that they restore this forest by protecting it from poachers and pushing for its full rehabilitation. Just like the mangroves, protecting this land is part of a global fight, one that matters deeply on this International Day of the Tropics.
Science have proven that mangroves have a higher capacity of absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere than the Amazon rainforest. Okay. So you can see the significance of mangroves in terms of absorbing the carbon dioxide, which is causing the global warming, and protecting the coastal habitats and infrastructure from the impacts of climate change.
Namati Sierra Leone supports communities to obtain fair deals with investors and to minimize environmental harm while protecting customary land rights.
Securing tenure is crucial because it gives people the confidence to say, this is my property, this is my own patch of the earth, I will defend it, come rain or shine. And they would also be in a position to say, I would invest my time and resources into making it better. And that is critical if we want to really make sure that we deal with the problems of climate change.
The roots are growing, but the battle isn't over yet. The struggle continues with growing hope for the future of both the planet and its people. Kawa reporting for CGTN in Freetown, Sierra Leone.